Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem. Here we have 9 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of x is equal to 1, and we will solve this problem for the value of x. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we will rewrite this exponential equation, and we can first write this 9 to the power of x as 3 to the power of 2 and its whole power x minus, here you have 3 to the power of x is equal to 1. And after that we will use the nice exponential law, and you know about this exponential law. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, so we can interchange these two exponents and we will write it as a to the power of n to the power of m. We can apply here this nice exponential law, so that we will rewrite this term as 3 to the power of x and its whole square minus 3 to the power of x is equals to 1. After that we will change this exponential equation into the polynomial form, so that here we take y is equal to 3 to the power of x. So when we put here y is equal to 3 to the power of x, so this equation will becomes y square minus y is equal to 1. So now we move this 1 from right hand side to the left hand side, so that it will be written as y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So now this equation change into quadratic form, and we will apply here the nice quadratic formula in order to solve this problem. So that here we have the value of a is 1, b is minus 1, and c is also minus 1. So that the quadratic formula is y is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4 times of ac square root over 2 times of a. And now we put all the values of a, b and c in this formula, and we will get here y is equals to, here you have the value of b is minus 1. When we put here, so minus minus plus 1, and plus minus, here you have b square and the value of b is minus 1, so minus 1 square is plus 1, minus 4 times of the value of a is 1 and the value of c is minus 1, so this is minus minus plus, and 1 4s are 4, so it will becomes plus 4 and square root and whole over 2, because here the value of a is 1. So now we will get here 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 2. And here we have two cases. The first is we take the positive term, and the second case we take the negative term, so that this expression will becomes y is equals to 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and the other case is y is equals to 1 minus square root 5 over 2. And now we put the values of y, so the value of y it will be take in the start of the question is 3 to the power of x, so we will back substitute the value of y, so it will becomes 3 to the power of x is equals to 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and similarly here you get 3 to the power of x is equals to 1 minus square root 5 over 2. So first I will discuss the second case, this one. So in this case, here you have exponential value, exponential function, so it is always positive, and this expression will give the negative value. So positive and negative values cannot be equal here, because exponential function always gives the positive value, so it will be not possible to equals to negative value. So we will rejected this case because it is not possible. and we will proceed here this case only, so that here we can apply the natural log on both of the sides, so that this expression will becomes log of 3 to the power of x is equals to log of 1 plus square root 5 whole over 2. So after that we can apply here the property of log, so that this exponent will becomes in the front of this log, and it will becomes x times of log 3 is equals to, here again we apply the property of log, and it will be written as log of 1 plus square root of 5 minus log of 2. And now we move this log 3 to the right hand side, and it will becomes x is equals to log of 1 plus square root of 5 minus log of 2 and whole over log of 3. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.